Turn LM Studio into a free coding assistant. Local AI right inside VS Code. No subscriptions, no API bills, no data leaving your PC. This is part 3 of our LM Studio series. Let's build your local coding stack.
Why server mode? Because one model should power every tool. Server mode exposes your model as an OpenAI-style API, and any app can connect. VS Code, OpenWebUI, LangChain, even OpenAI's Codex. Private, offline, and zero cost, forever.
First, start the server. Open LM Studio and load your model. Then, open the Developer tab. Click Start Server. That's it. Your model is now an API at localhost, port 1234. You can also serve it to other devices on your network.
Let's prove it. Point your terminal at the model's endpoint. The server answers with every model you have loaded. In Python, the OpenAI SDK works with 2 lines. Change the base URL, use any API key, and your model answers. V1 models, chat completions, embeddings, all OpenAI compatible.
Which model? Pick by RAM. On 8 gigabytes, Qwen 2.5 coder, 7 billion, about 4.7 gigabytes. On 16 gigs, GPT OSS 20B is the champion, around 14 gigabytes, and it's OpenAI grade.
On 24 to 32 gigs, Qwen 3 coder, 30B A3B, 19 gigabytes the agent champion. Cline's own guide picks it.
Now connect VS Code. Install the Cline extension. Open its settings, choose LM Studio as the provider. The base URL is localhost, port 1234. Pick your model from the dropdown. Then turn on Use Compact Prompt. Cline is now your local coding agent.
Time to work. Tell the agent to fix a bug. It reads your code, finds the problem, and shows a diff. Review it and approve. The terminal confirms, the tests pass. A bug fixed in seconds, fully offline. Or build from scratch. Ask for a REST API. The agent writes the files, runs the server, and it works. This is the same workflow as paid tools, except it's local, private, and free.
One warning. If you install MCP servers or plugins, LM Studio's official docs are clear. Never install them from untrusted sources. Some can run arbitrary code and access your files. And with agents, you stay in control.
Review every diff, approve every command, and only run code you trust.
What about speed? 20+ tokens per second feels fluid for coding. But watch your context. If it grows past your memory, speed collapses from 16 down to 9 tokens per second. Local is great for daily work. For the hardest tasks, keep a cloud model as a backup. That's your free coding stack. Developer tab, start the server. Connect line, pick a model by your RAM, and approve as you go. Private, offline, and $0. Like, subscribe, and comment. Next, we'll add RAG and chat with your own documents.